Yeah, hi guys. I know I've been off for a long while. I've just been trying to figure out a lot of things, trying to give you guys better content. Yay! We have better content. So stick around and see how I do my first nail tutorial. First step. The first thing you will do is to clean the nails to get rid of anything that was on nails before, like nail polish or anything. Then file your nails. I'm using the transparent plastic, the transparent nails. You can get it in Nigeria for about 200 naira, and you can get it anywhere in any place they sell nail products. Then after that, I try to push in the cuticles of the nail around the nails with the fake nails I want to add. Since I don't have a cuticle pusher or remover, so I just try to use that instead. I'm improvising. Then make sure you fit your plastic nails first on the finger before adding glue. It just helps give you the best nails. Then you can file out any excess. Probably it's too big, just file it off and give it the nice, perfect looking fine shape. Then you add your glue on the nails. Before adding your glue, make sure to file your nails. The roughness helps it stick better. I feel so. Then after that, the next thing is to cut. So she wants to have a stiletto nail. A stiletto nail is the pointy nail, the really pointy long nails. So she wants a stiletto, and I'm going to try to cut it into that shape before filing. So, fun fact, the way you cut your nails help filing easier. So when you cut your nails in a right way, it just helps you file easily. Yeah. I had to record the nails because she was like it was too long. She couldn't use her phone and all and all. And by the way, it's a birthday. So the song I'm using, the background song, is birthday. I got it from my dating app. Yeah. So I'm trying to make it more. So it's filing time. How do you file your nail? You file. I feel you should file according to the shape you have in mind. So I'm going to be filing slant, really really slant, facing upwards. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm going to. I want to achieve a pointy nails, so I'll try as much as possible to file in that direction. Plus, you should file on both sides, so one side doesn't get too slant while the other side is kind of straight. So if you file like a while on this side, move to the other side to file another while. So while filing, you'll notice that, I don't know if you won't notice it yet, but when I'm done filing, I try to like file like the tip of the nails. This is to avoid it from being too pointy and too sharp. No, avoid it from being too sharp. So it kind of gives it kind of blunt tip. That is what I was trying to achieve here. Then after that, you also file the fake nails, like on top of the fake nails. I feel it makes it glue more to the nails to just give you a more natural kind of feeling. So that is what I feel. So now I'm done filing and it's time to give these nails some color. She brought this color. She said she wanted pink, so she brought this color for me. But I decided that why so pinky? Why don't we do something fabulous with this color? So I tried some art with it. I took my eyeshadow palette, my glitter eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow is so nice. It doesn't need glue, a glitter glue to be used. It just works like that. So that was what I used in the art. I didn't do the art on camera. I just showed you the finished work because I wasn't really sure what I was doing. I was just trying to play along with colors, and it came out really, really nice. She just loved it. She just kept on shouting, "Wow, this is transformation! She transformed me. She did this. She did that." Nails came out really, really nice, so beautiful. I love them, and the shape, mwah, lovely, lovely shape. So